How's it going everyone, it's Zeres here, and today we're going to talk about how to grow your message marketing list for free by utilizing a marketing strategy I created called Profiles into Funnels. I'm not going to get into this today, but if you want to see the video which is going to be released in the next week, feel free to hit the subscribe button in order to receive a notification. With no further ado, let's jump into our topic. In order for us to grow our message marketing list for free, we have to have access to an audience. This audience must qualify some certain criteria. Who is your ideal customer? What are their interests? Their demographics? After you find your ideal customer and your target audience, you can now locate them online and start adding them. What you have to do now is create a compelling lead generation magnet that you are going to offer to your audience for free. The way we're going to continue is start engaging with our audience, aka our friend list. So the way to do that is create compelling posts about that specific target group based on their demographics, their interests, and all your research you have done so far. We want to keep them engaged and keep them intrigued. Next step is going inside our Manychat dashboard and create a referral growth tool with which we're going to deliver our lead generation magnet. Let's create an example growth tool together right now.
Here we're inside our Manychat dashboard and we're going to create a referral growth tool. In order to do so, we hit the growth tools tab and then we click on the new growth tool button. Perfect. Right here we have the all potential growth tools we can create, but we want this specific one, the messenger ref URL. We'll click on this and here it is. First of all, we're going to rename it to example growth tool and we're going to save it. After that, what we want to do is edit the message which is going to be delivered to people who are sent this specific URL. We click edit here and here we are inside the message of our growth tool. We click on this and what we want to do is deliver an actual file. We're going to add a little bit of text and say you got the strategy blueprint. Do you want to claim it? And a little emoji here. Awesome. After that, we want to create a button and the action of this button will be send message. The new button name will be yes, give me access. Perfect. Right here inside this message we're going to deliver the file. As you can see here we have the option to choose a file. We're going to delete this and we're going to click this and it will open the documents of our personal computer. We choose this specific one we want to deliver to people. In your case the lead generation magnet, and here it is. After people click this button it will send them a message with this file and they will be able to download it inside their messenger. What we have to do next in order for the actual message to be saved is hit publish. Our growth tool is ready, guys, ready to be delivered. Let's get back to growth tool section. Let's hit example growth tool. And in order for you to be able to deliver the link of the ref URL growth tool, you hit setup and copy URL to clipboard. After you do that, as you can see here, it's copied and you can actually send it to someone inside their messenger as a link. After they click it, they will receive this specific message and your lead generation magnet. This is it, guys. Let's continue.
After creating our growth tool and having some people consistently liking and commenting in our posts, now is the time to create a Facebook post using our lead generation magnet. You can either say how this specific lead magnet has helped you in the past, if it has, or even offer to give it to people for free. Here are some examples of Facebook posts using the technique mentioned above. You can ask people to drop a comment if they're interested, or even drop a GIF. After people start engaging with your lead magnet post, asking you to send them info or even dropping funny gifs in the comments. What you have to do is start messaging them one by one with a referral link of the growth tool we created on Manychat. And after that, people will start clicking on the link, and what you have is a ton of new subscribers in your message marketing list ready to be engaged. These people are now in your message marketing list willingly and gladly because they see you have to offer some value. And they are now ready to be engaged by you, by your posts, your Facebook lives, or even a friendly message. They are now qualified leads that have a high probability of converting. Right now I'm going to give you a pro tip about how to better implement this strategy. And the key is to stay online for as long as you can after you post the lead magnet post on your Facebook profile. And when people comment on your post, answer to them as soon as possible, because Facebook counts your comments as extra engagement and pushes your post in more news pages. Thank you for your time, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe so you get notifications for future videos. Thank you, guys.